I'm recording. Luke, what are you holding in your hands? Luke thinks that we're going to starve him. So he puts little foods in his hands and then he walks around with his hands clenched. Oh, where are you going? Bye-bye! Are you done down there? What's going on? Who's there? See, the hands clenched because they have food in them. He's like a little squirrel. Oh, backing up. Hi. Hi, Luke. Can you clap? Can you clap for everybody? Lint. His favorite thing to eat. Don't. Luke, you want to clap? Clap. Hey, clap your hands. There we go. Luke doesn't understand that he has to open up his hands, so he does it with clenched hands. Oh, there's the lint. Delicious. Silent father reaches down, doesn't say a word. Give me the lint. Damn it. Here we go. Here we go. Daddy's exhausted because Luke's been sick. Hi, Daddy. Say hello. Please get the camera off me, Kathy. Oh, this is what Luke does when he's tired. Patrice lays down, and then Luke lays down next to him. And they talk. They have little conversations. And that's the other thing Luke likes to do, is grab Patrice's nose. See you later, Luke. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Here he goes around the corner. Adios. See, the hand's still clenched. There. Bye, Luke.